This is a brand new 2012 Ford Fusion. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a security system, a chrome grille, dusk sensing headlights, a rear window defroster, and fog lamps. With an EPA estimated rating of 33 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency is still high on the list of priorities. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Jim Hudson Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1201 West Main Street in Lexington.